Good morning, students. In the lesson, A Need for Water, I taught you yesterday why do we go near a water hole in a jungle to see wild animals. Today, I am going to teach you the importance of water on page 49. My dear students, water is one of the most important need for plants and animals. We cannot lead our day-to-day life without water. Water makes up more than half of our body weight. Without water, all organisms in the world would die. Water is not only necessary for drinking but also for our day-to-day life purposes like bathing, cooking, cleaning and washing and so on, my dear students. We cannot imagine a life without water. Other than drinking and household purposes, water is important for existence of our world. Conservation of water is important for our goodness and for the future to come. We need to take initiatives to save water, whether there is scarcity or not. In this picture, my dear students, you can see a picture of a boy having bath. He must have gone to school and come back. He must be sweating. So, he is taking a bath. Or he must be wanting to go to school. He has just got up from his sleep. Now he has to become fresh himself and go to school. And he is having a bath. If he doesn't have or he does not take a bath, his body will smell. His friends will not sit next to him or will not play with him. That's why he is having a bath. Now to have a bath, what is he using? Soap and water. So here also we come to know that water is very important. In the next picture, the boy is drinking water. Why is he drinking water? Because he is thirsty. Even if he is thirsty, he just cannot drink milk. He has to drink water to satisfy his thirst. In the third picture, you can see your mom. You think she's your mom and she's preparing a nice dish for you. Now when she's cooking it or she's preparing a dish for you, she has to use water. Am I right? Yes. Now here your mom is preparing or cooking a dish for you using water. Next picture is of a farmer. See how smiling and how happy he is. Why? Because he is helping all of us. My dear students, India is called as the land of villages, and the people who live in villages are mostly involved in farming. The farmers of India are called the Annadata or the food provider of the nation. Farmers work extremely hard in their fields to grow food, grains for feeding as well as for their livelihood. The next picture is about an industry. Do we need water in the industry? Yes, my dear students. Water is used in industries too. It is used for fabricating, processing, washing, diluting, cooling, and even transporting a product. So, water is needed in every field of life. People need water not only for drinking but also for cooking and cleaning. We need water for agriculture and industry as well. Water is very important in our lives. Did you understand, my dear students? Okay, this is enough for today. Your homework will be given to you in your homework app. Thank you.